in the real time, so whenever we got project for your particular companies, so this project is developed by only one programmer or multiple programmers, guys? Multiple people are working on that particular project, or only one people are working this entire project, guys?
Multiple people working in one project.
Yes, definitely multiple developers or multiple programmers has to work on this particular project or not. So that means entire project is not developed by only one programmer. So this entire project is divided into different modules or not, guys? First, this project is divided into different modules. Every module has again they are divided into different tasks. Every task is responsible to fulfill by the so different resources or not, guys? So that means multiple resources, multiple programmers, multiple developers are as responsible to work on this particular project. So now multiple programmers are working on this project means, so all are developing only one class, or multiple programmers are working on the multiple classes, guys? So they definitely they has to develop multiple classes, right? So they are responsible to develop multiple .java files. Within the multiple .java file, multiple classes they have to develop or not. So that means in the real time, no one developed this entire project code within the single class or not. So that means multiple classes we have to develop as in order to develop fulfill the project requirement or not, guys? Got it right? So that means entire project code is developed only one class, or multiple classes, multiple files we have to develop, guys? How we have to develop? Save as. Match done. Yes, come on, guys. So here, so I am developing one particular application here. I want to develop this applications means, so how we are developing this application? This application is developed by only one programmer or multiple programmers, guys? Based on the client requirement, whenever the client provided this company project to the vendor companies, so vendor company is responsible to develop this entire project by so only one programmer? No, right? See, this entire project they are divided into different modules or not, guys? Yes, so that means so this entire application, so they are divided into different modules. Yes, after that, so again these modules they are divided into different tasks or not, guys? Yes, so they are responsible to different tasks. Now come on. So every task is responsible to fulfill by the so different developers, right? Multiple resources are responsible to work on this particular project or not. So that means so multiple resources has to work on this particular project. This is my resource 1. This is my resource 2. This is my resource 3. as like so multiple programmers are working on this particular project or not. Got it right? Now come on. So that means here how we are, why we are developing this like this. So now suppose another example. So if we take one any applications, so if we take suppose one bank application here. Now when comes to this bank applications, only one related modules only available or different types of modules available? Yes, different types of sections available, right? Yes, yes. So suppose if you want to go for transactions, transaction related of things are available or not, guys? Yes, bit they are developed all these operations are related to transaction, that is maybe related one part, maybe loan related section is, so they are developed in the another part. So as like they are divided in different modules or not, guys? Yes, so that's why in order to develop the entire this web applications, sorry, so entire this application, so what are the different modules are there, so what are the different related sectors are there, so all these classes they are grouped into different modules or not, guys? Yes, so these are related to loan related classes, these are related to transaction related classes. In order to fulfill the requirement of all these things, so definitely we have to develop multiple classes, all these classes grouped into different modules or not? Yes, definitely we have to develop as like so transaction loan, any other related things are there? What do they say? Any finance related? Yes, as like so they are developed different types of sectors or not? Yes. Yes, based on that we have to develop different number of classes. Yes. No comment. So under this particular transactions, so definitely we have, for this modules, definitely we have to develop multiple classes or not, guys? So there is no doubt we are developing multiple classes, right? So we are not developing only one class or not, guys? So multiple classes we have to develop in order to fulfill the requirement of all these applications or not? Yes, so this is my for class. This is my another class. As like this is my another class or not, guys? As like we have to develop different classes here. Here I am developing another class. So here also I am developing another classes as like so we are developing multiple classes or not? Yes, so that means multiple programmers, multiple developers so is responsible to develop multiple classes in order to fulfill the requirement of your entire project or not? Got it right? Things are getting clear or not clear, guys? All are clear or not clear? Now we are responsible to develop these applications means, so how we are developing these classes? So within the .java file only we are developing these classes or not, guys? Yes, so this is my, so within the test.java, so we are responsible to develop, we have to create like this. So within this what exactly available here? This is my source code or not? Yes, this is my source code. So after that once this source code is available, so this file is technically called as source file, right? So the source code is available means this file is technically we call it as a source file or not? Yes, there is no doubt we can confirm. Yes, this is my source file. Yes, sir, within the source file, what exactly available here? So within the source file, so whatever the developed code is there, that Java code is technically called as source code or not, guys? Yes, so source code is available. Yes, up to this, all the points are very clear, not clear, guys?
Yes.
All are clear, right? Yes, so that means whenever we are developing different types of applications, so that application we are not developing only one class, so multiple classes we have to develop. All the classes we are grouped into each and every sectors or not, guys? Now come on here, I want to related all these classes related to finance means we have to group all these classes into one particular finance related things. So where we have to place all these classes in one particular place means, so that place is, these are technically called as folders, guys. The folder only we have to place all these classes. I am creating a finance is a one folder. Within that folder I am placing all these classes. I am creating class loan related classes. All these classes I am placing in a one separate folder called loan folder means. So in this way I can group all these classes or not, guys? Now come on here, I want to group all these classes means how can I group, guys? So we have to place all these classes in a separate folders or not? If I'm placing in the all these classes in the separate folders, then only these are comes under the group, right? So that means in order to group all these classes, we have to place separate folders. So this folder, what are the folders we are creating in order to group all these classes, guys? Now come on. So in order to group, so in order to group classes, so definitely we have to place. Right, so that means so we have to create a one folder. Within the folder, if I am placing all these classes means all these classes are belongs to one particular folders or not? Yes, so in Java programming language, in order to group all these classes, in order to create that folder, so this folder, what are the folder, come on guys, in the computer language this is technically called as folder, but when comes to this Java programming language, the same folder we call it as a package.